Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce some of the new products on my right hands. These countertop containers can storage the coffee, milk tea, and all the drinks. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire about the length is about like a 9.5 inches wide. Include these faucets. In total, that will be 12 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 20 and 1/4 inches tall. So basically, we can see the unit, the cover is the plastic, and they do having the handlebars on top of it, and they do have a caps on top of it. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. Okay, when we see the inner side, we can fill in this cap right here is stainless steel, and also the inner side stainless steel too for the containers. For this cap, the diameters is about like a 7 3/4 inches diameters, and the overall depth of this port, it's about like a 13 inches deep. And also for this unit beneficials, they have a handlebars on top of it. You can push down to hold it, and you can control to open and close. And also they do have a full legs at the bottoms. You can just push in to storage the inner side and make it the lower size. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.